Hey guys, so last video we went briefly over some of the concepts of trade, and we actually saw a trade might occur which will give each party a benefit to actually trading or not. So in this video we're going to go over some further trading concepts and actually illustrate exactly when a trade will occur and the definitions we have behind that. So the example we went through last time was I can make 10 units of good X or 1 unit of Y in 1 hour, but Mark, some other guy, can make 3 units of X or 12 units of Y in 1 hour. So when will trade actually occur? So the definition we have for this is trade will occur if an individual can receive. So if I can receive an item for lower than my opportunity cost for that item, I will want to trade. Or if I can sell an item for higher than the opportunity cost, I will also want to trade. So, what would I be willing to pay for? Let's say X. So this is me. So if I was going to buy some X, what would be the maximum I would pay for that? So maximum willing payment for X So maximum willing payment for X is going to be my opportunity cost for X. So that's 1/10 Y. So that's the maximum I'm going to be willing to pay if I wanted to receive some X. And for Y, the maximum I'd be willing to pay is my opportunity cost for Y. So I would pay up to 10X for 1 unit of Y. Okay, so what will happen if Mark, if I said to Mark, I want to buy a unit of X from you. I'm willing to give you 1/10 of a unit of Y. So he's only going to want to accept if he can get a payment that's bigger than his opportunity cost for giving me that X. So his opportunity cost for X equals 4Y. So to make that unit of X, he's giving up 4Y. So that's a minimum he's willing to take in order to give me a unit of X. I'm only going to offer him 1/10 Y, but he wants 4Y. So no trade will occur here. So no trade. But what about this other thing? If I offered him 10X for a unit of Y, he's going to want to accept. So he wants to accept a unit of Y. He wants to give away a unit of Y to me. If he can receive at least 1/4 of a unit of X, because that's his opportunity cost for 1 unit of Y. So I can offer up to 10X. He's willing to accept if he's going to get anything greater than 1/4 of X. Okay, so trade will occur here because there's a range between 1/4 X and 10X where trade will occur. So here is an example where trade will occur. So we have a range of prices that trade will occur between us if I'm willing to buy a unit of Y. So I'll pay 10X for that. So the maximum I'm going to pay is 10X. So there's going to be some price P between 1/4 X and 10X that trade will occur between us, which will yield mutually beneficial results. So it's beneficial to both parties. We saw how it could be beneficial to both parties in the last video that we went over.